Mix A before B? Are you fucking kidding me? Ooh. Oh, hey, Rory here from Lotus Nutrients. If you pay $5 for a bottle of smart water, it's not working. And buying liquid nutrients is just as stupid. Let me explain. The #1 ingredient in liquid nutrients is water. Lotus is a dry nutrient powder. With liquid nutrients, you end up paying more to ship water than you do for the actual nutrients. With Lotus Nutrients, you only ship the good stuff with absolutely no filler. Lotus Nutrients is simply the easiest way to grow the dankest, frostiest, biggest tomatoes you've ever seen in your life. You don't have to take my word for it. This is what our customers are saying. Anthony R. writes, hands down, game-changing plant food. I've grown my best crop in 25 years with Lotus. Alberto writes, third full cycle with Lotus, and I will never use anything else. Stephen T. writes, I just bought Lotus on a whim, and it's the best thing I have ever used. No messing with the pH, and the flowers are the biggest I've ever grown in an indoor tent. This will be the only stuff I will use from now on. Elevate your grow today. Click here to learn how.